Welcome to all. Today we discuss about the extrude tools. Extrude tool. The extrude tool we create extrude in Fusion 360. First you go to sketch and then select the plane. This is the top plane I select and then you go for a profile for extrude. Here I create a circle and then extrude it. Give the dimension as 60 and then finish sketch. This is the extrude icon. Otherwise create and extrude option. Here you press and hold, move the height or otherwise enter the value. Here I entered 70 mm and then draw a top surface. If you want to add a part, extrude part, go for sketch and then create a circle. Here I mention the dimension. Here I mention the diameter is 15. Finish sketch and then extrude it and select the extrude profile. Here I give 15 mm. You modify it like a water bottle. Here go for modify tool, fillet. Here the fillet radius 10. Here give another fillet is 18. Here create a chamfer for bottom or otherwise fillet. Here produce a hollow passage. Go for cell and click the top surface. Create a thickness at one wall. Here produce a water bottle through extrude option.